Welcome back, artists. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a letter S like this into a dinosaur. It's really simple, super fun, and then we're going to add it to our cartoon land, a world of cartoons that we've been drawing each and every day, adding more and more characters. Hey, so grab your pencil and paper and let's get drawing. So to draw this dinosaur, we're going to start with a letter S. And then we're going to add these eyes right here on our letter S. Let's add the dinosaur's nose, 2 little dots here. And then we need to add some dinosaur teeth. So we're just going to draw these fun little teeth here and right here. Let's add the inside of the character's mouth. We're just going to draw a little curved line here, and you could shade that in with your pencil. Now, I'm coloring my character in, but I think you should wait till the very end to color yours in. It'll be much easier. Let's add a little curved line to make our dinosaur look happier. And then all we need to do is to finish the face, we're going to draw a line here for the bottom of the character's mouth. Let's draw the back of our dinosaur's head. We're going to start right here, and we're just going to draw a curved line like so. Just like that, we have the dinosaur's face finished. Now it's time to add the long dinosaur neck. So we're just going to draw a line here and a line here. Now for the back, we're going to draw a curved line like so. And then let's add some dinosaur legs and feet. So we're going to draw these unfinished rectangle shapes here. And let's add some dinosaur toenails. And then something I like to draw for the knees, I like to draw lowercase letter E's just for a little detail. Our dinosaur's coming along great. Now what we want to do is let's draw a line connecting the neck to the feet, and another line right here. As you can see, that little line right there, that's what we're going to add to finish the body. And then we need to add a dinosaur tail. That's right, Steve, add a tail. Okay, let's do that now. So we're just going to draw a fun curved shape like so. There we go. And the last thing we need to do, let's draw some legs on the other side of our dinosaur's body. Just these little hint of legs and some shadow and a little bit of toenail. Kind of gives it a little more dimension. And just like that, we have a dancing dino. Hey, it's time to add it to our cartoon land scene. So here we are in Cartoon Land. We have lots of different characters. Dragons, monsters, lots of other strange cartoon characters. We're going to add our dinosaur right here. Just like that. Yeah, we've got a dinosaur. Well, artists, I hope you had a blast drawing, creating, and imagining with me. We're going to be filling up this entire world with fun, crazy cartoon characters. So make sure to have your pencil and paper ready for tomorrow. And remember, every drawing tells a story.
Hey, if you like this video, then you'll love Harptooniacs. No commercials, save content, and most of all, fun! And you can try 3 free lessons today when you click on the link in the description below.